Congratulations, Coupon Conquerors. You've just leveled up from what's a promo code to I run the Coupon Illuminati. Let's do a lightning recap. Lesson 1. Smart Coupons 101, your gateway to WooCommerce wizardry. Lesson 2. Creating coupons like a boss. Lesson 3. Selling gift cards so slick, customers will beg to throw money at you. Lesson 4. Discounts and promotions, because who doesn't love a good cha-ching? Lesson 5. Restricting coupon chaos. Lesson 6. Customizing coupons to match your brand's vibe. Lesson 7. Troubleshooting and not crying when things go sideways. You're welcome. Remember, with great coupon power comes great responsibility. Don't spam discounts like expired confetti. Use restrictions wisely, keep promotions fresh, and always test before launch. No one wants a code calamity at checkout. Go forth, deploy those coupons, and watch sales soar. Got questions? Revisit these lessons. No judgment, only high fives. Drop a like, share this series with your e-commerce squad, and subscribe for more unapologetically useful content. Until next time, keep it smart, keep it savvy, and keep saving the world one coupon at a time.